Heck yeah. GoPro actually works. Alright. Good evening. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I'm a mechanic. And I hear that speedrunning is a cool thing. So I came up with the idea. We're gonna speedrun mechanic videos. I'm talking oil changes. I'm talking doing brakes, doing rotors. I'm talking swapping transmissions. I'm talking swapping engines. We're gonna speedrun it all. We're gonna do the best that we can do. And it's gonna be awesome. So you should probably join me. You should probably watch some cool videos when I get them uploaded, because this is probably gonna take a while to like edit down and get everything good, and just in general do the work. But we're gonna do the best that we can, and we're gonna become the best mechanic that we can. And it's gonna be a fun journey along the way. I'll probably do some vehicle reviews, because I used to do that on my old channel, but now I'm making a specific mechanic channel. So yeah, subscribe, like, ring that bell, do whatever you can, because I got the brand new idea of speedrunning mechanic type stuff and fixing vehicles. It's gonna be awesome. So yes, let's go.